Is this your life? Rushing off to work, getting stuck in traffic, slaving away behind a desk. All of this so that you can pay for a house that is empty most of the day because you're at work. Working to pay for a car that you can't use most of the day because you're stuck behind your desk working for someone else's dream. Dropping your children off at daycare and school to be educated by others on how to become model citizens so they too can one day be stuck in traffic on their way to a job so they can buy a house they will spend mostly their sleeping hours in. Putting away money for a pension so you can one day enjoy life when the best of your life is behind you. Now you're probably waiting for the big accident.
I quit!
But the real tragedy is, this is how many people spend their lives. This was my story, trading my time for money, trying to make a living for me and my family. I knew instinctively I couldn't continue like this, or I will waste my life away. But I didn't know how to break free. That was until one day, while watching YouTube, a video popped up about a free online workshop series that teaches people how to start making money online. At first, I was skeptical. I've heard about people making money online, but I also thought I wouldn't be able to because I didn't know the first thing about building an online business. And besides, I'm not blessed with technical skills. But I was curious and the workshops were free, so I decided to fill out my details and watch the videos. That was the start of my journey to freedom. It didn't happen overnight, and it took effort from my side, but with the help and encouragement of wonderful mentors and a like-minded community who encouraged me to succeed, I'm now able to help others like myself. And you too can make a change for the better. With online shopping growing by leaps and bounds every year, and with the wonderful opportunities the internet holds to work for yourself from anywhere in the world, you too can get out of the rat race and start living the life you always dreamed about. Click the Learn More button and fill in your name and email address to receive the free video workshop series that will teach you exactly how to create income streams online, so you can build an online business that will give you the money, the time, and the freedom you're longing for. Just picture yourself turning on the computer in the morning, logging into your account, and seeing 10 or more new "You've made a sale" messages welcoming you every single day. All thanks to this free online workshop. Just click the button so you can get started.